Ed shot to death in Kingston. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. One man was shot to death by unknown assailants along Simmons Lane in Kingston 11 on Monday, February the 14th. He has been identified as 29-year-old Robin Simmet, otherwise called Ed, of Rosalie Avenue, Kingston 11. Reports from the Hunts Bay Police are that at around 6:30 p.m., residents heard explosions and summoned the police. On the arrival of the lawman, Simmet was seen suffering from what appears to be multiple gunshot wounds. He was taken to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. An investigation has since been launched by the Hunts Bay Police. No motive has yet been established for this latest homicide. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with any more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.